Welcome back, everyone, to our cybersecurity series. We're delving into the practical applications of Python, and last time, we explored how Python can be used to automate tasks in cybersecurity. Today, we'll be diving deeper and discussing how Python can be used for network scanning and penetration testing. Network scanning is a crucial process in cybersecurity. It helps us identify active hosts in a network, find open ports, detect vulnerabilities, and so much more. Python, with its libraries like Scapy and Nmap, can be a powerful ally in this process. Let's look at the case of Stuxnet, a malicious computer worm discovered in 2010. It specifically targeted supervisory control and data acquisition, also known as SCADA systems, and was believed to be responsible for causing substantial damage to Iran's nuclear program. The worm exploited 40-day vulnerabilities. Regular network scanning and vulnerability assessment could have identified the vulnerabilities earlier and possibly prevented the worm from wreaking havoc. Penetration testing, or ethical hacking, is another area where Python shines. Python scripts can be used to create custom exploits, automate attacks, and analyze the results. Tools like Metasploit, a widely used penetration testing framework, can be interfaced with Python, providing powerful capabilities for security testing. In the next few videos, we'll be getting our hands dirty and writing some Python scripts to perform tasks like network scanning and penetration testing. Remember, the goal here is to understand the vulnerabilities in our systems and fix them before they can be exploited. As cybersecurity expert Bruce Schneier once said, the user's going to pick dancing pigs over security every time. Our goal as cybersecurity engineers is to ensure that they can have both, a secure system that is also user-friendly. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in our next episode, where we'll start our hands-on journey with Python in cybersecurity. Until then, keep learning and stay safe.